Jesse & Sons Appliance Repair Solutions, specializing in residential and commercial. With over 20 years of experience, we proudly serve San Antonio and all surrounding areas. We repair major kitchen appliances, major commercial appliances, and residential appliances including washers, dryers, refrigerators, ranges, ovens, and more. Fair and honest pricing are what we stand for. As a family-owned and operated business, it's our duty to treat you like one of our own. Feel free to call for free advice and an estimate of your situation. Jesse & Sons Appliance Repair Solutions, 210-239-0246.